We're heading out and playing basketball, but Sales Funnel God doesn't want to play because he's scared and he's shit. Bring it. Bringing it. What's up?
Now who the fuck does this to my fridge? Who first of all this, and who leaves it like this? There's nothing left. Zoom in. Bring it in. Comment if PB is on some wackadoodle drug. What the fuck is that?
I'll clean up tonight. I'll clean up.
This guy.
We just finished the most intense game ever.
Wow.
Look at the, oh my god, I'm dripping, yo. Your shirt is wet.
This was gray.
Your back is actually even worse. Jesus, bro.
That's how you know. Now, we're about to go hit the gym, you guys. It's like the...
Wait, what?
I'm gonna go do it. Build off the momentum. It's called
down.
momentum. Carry that shit.
I'm down. Let's do it. Remember to always secure the watermelon. Why the alkaline water?
Why are we driving me into 30 minutes to a special store to get it? It's healthy.
Just had some sweet cornbread. These are bomb. What do you think? What were you saying about the famous, what is it?
Famous Dave's cornbread. If you haven't been there, you should go get their cornbread, get a dozen or two. Eat
What
it
is?
yourself.
And if you can't go there, my mom got some pretty bomb cornbread, so if you're trying to come through, me up. I don't care.
Look at that, we're about to grill up. Last supper, we out here. About to cut up this watermelon. I'm gonna do a little time lapse.
Did somebody say watermelon?
Bro, you don't even like watermelon. Alright, so I'm about to cut this shit up. Let's get it. Me and Hayden just wrapped up 2 videos for both of our channels because we wanted to get some content before I leave. But hey, this is my last time in California, last time in this crib.
Hey.
Can't show what's on the boards.
Look, yeah, he's finally moving out after 6 months inside of here. He's packing all his stuff up. By the way, he keeps telling me to get a tripod for 20 bucks, but you know what? Why would I do that when I got this?
Hey, that's what's up.
Literally, I've probably filmed 100 videos off this so far.
Yeah.
About to be 200 after we drop this new, can't tell.
All right, so we're about to head up to Newport Coast, look at some dope houses before I go get some inspiration. Head to the airport, I'll vlog more there, but yeah. Last time with the M4, the Econ Mobile. Hey. Hey.
These big bitches know, nigga.
Now they got so rich, I sang them.
Hey. Thank you, Hayden. That's what's up. You tried flipping IG pages? No. Be my mentor, bro. Wrong way to approach me like that, bro. Hey. That's my homie right here. So just landed in Atlanta. I'm gonna get some work done, edit some videos, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I'm probably gonna film when I'm in New York. So I'll see you guys there. I stopped looking at myself there, just look at the lights.
North Korea has
I really don't like that they play the shitty TV in the airport, man. It's so hard to focus, so I gotta play my own music on my own podcast, because these guys are fucking stupid, man.
We are arriving at Terminal 5.
As you see, New York, it's raining like crazy right now. I just left sunny Southern California for this bitch right here. So I just missed my train by a minute because of the Metro card, because I didn't have enough funds, but it's alright, hey, we learned, okay? Oh my god, bro, the lighting is retarded here. But you guys get what I mean. I'm listening to Astro World right now. I can't even hear myself talk right now, but rainy New York, I'm out here. Again, you can't see me. I'll get you guys when I get to the office. Alright guys, so now I'm actually at my Airbnb. This is where I'm going to be staying for a month. There's no point in me doing a tour. There's a bed, there's another bed. Probably Miguel's probably going to sleep there when he comes by. I'm probably going to sleep in this little kid's room, which I really don't care about. But the main thing is, you know, I came here to work, make some money, not really give a shit about all this other stuff. But I'm about to head to my family's crib. I'm going to stop vlogging. I wasn't really vlogging when the subway was on because, like, I don't know, I got confused and something was wrong with my Metro card. I couldn't get a 30-day pass, so I was annoyed. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna make more vlogs while I'm in New York because I might be doing more dope shit. I'm gonna be doing more dope shit. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna stay in good lighting. Have a great day. Peace. Alright guys, so I was supposed to end the vlog yesterday and edit it up and get it ready, but I brought my laptop charger, but not my laptop, so I left it at the office. So I'm gonna go back, chill with Alex, get some work done, maybe even show you guys a little bit of New York. I'll vlog a little bit more, and it'll just be a dope experience. But man, that was just a message to me saying, yo, go to sleep. So I slept. Now I'm about to go to Manhattan, do some dope shit. I'll film some more shit, and peace out. This is the view from my train station. I live like close by, but look at that. It's beautiful New York.
34th Street, Hudson Yards bound.
This is mine, right?
So me and Alex, we're about to head out to Columbus Circle. This is Brandon's office. I can't show much. Top secret, top secret. But where are we about to go again? Even though I just told him.
Columbus Circle.
What are we about to do?
Gonna make some deals, man.
Yes, sir. Catch you guys there. So me and Alex, we just chilled in New York. We had a meeting, we did some cool shit, potentially closed some deals, but now I'm gonna head back to Queens with my family, and Alex is heading back to the crib. Fuck, the crib. Alright. I guess it's my ending to the vlog. I'm gonna go home, edit this shit, post it, and you know, thanks for watching, guys, from my trip from California to New York. I will be doing more vlogs because I've been seeing that a lot of people fuck with the vlogs. So more to come. I'm gonna be doing more dope shit in New York. So I'll let you guys know more about that. But see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.